Bad audio will ruin good video faster than bad lighting ever will. And if you've ever spent hours in post trying to fix muffled or echoey sound, you know the struggle. Today we're diving into my essential sound gear for filmmaking. Everything I actually use on set, how to capture clean, professional audio, and a few lessons I've learned the hard way. What's up, Dan here. I've made a few upgrades and tweaks to my sound bag, so let's take a look. As always, every piece of gear I mention is linked in the description below, and they are affiliates, so if you click those links, it will all help support this channel. And that really does make the difference. Everyone spends time fixing bad audio in the edit, but the truth is, great sound doesn't start in post. It starts with mic placement. It's 90% where you put your microphone and 10% everything else. A mic doesn't hear like your brain. Your brain will filter noise automatically, but a microphone will hear everything. So basically, you have to learn to hear like a microphone. That means you have to be mindful of reflections, aircon hums, light fan noises, everything that your brain filters out, your microphone doesn't. For most of my work, interviews, weddings, YouTube videos, I use shotgun mics. They're super directional and they pick up sound in a cone-like shape. A mic that close but slightly off angle will always sound better than one that's far away and perfectly aimed. So just keep it out of frame, pointing at your chest and not your mouth, and definitely not toward reflective surfaces or sound noises. So I've got my microphone just aimed more here, out of the way of the table to stop sound reflections. It's just that sweet spot for natural dialogue. When recording dialogue, you want your average sound minus 20 dB and peaks around minus 12 dB. Anything above that risks clipping. And once you hit zero, it's game over. Also, if you can, use your low cut filter, either on your microphone or recorder, just to tame that low noise rumble. I use a US Pro equipment toolbox fitted with an A-mode padded divider set, designed for a PLA 1510. It fits perfectly, costs less, and the Velcro partitions make it super easy to customize compartments for mics, recorders, and cables. And yes, it's got wheels because carrying gear is no fun. I'm still rocking the Sound Devices MixPre 3. Before that, I used the Zoom HN2, which I still recommend if you're on a budget. The MixPre has clean preamps and dual SD and USB recording. I record everything in 32-bit float, which is basically the audio version of RAW, giving me plenty of room to recover clipped dialogue later. For monitoring, I still use the V-Moda Crossfade M100s, over-the-ear noise isolating and super comfortable. They're not your typical studio cans, but I've used them for years and I'm used to their sound profile. The large memory foam cushions are replaceable and they fold neatly into a protective hard case, which is perfect for travel. I'm using a smaller Orca sound bag now, lighter, cleaner, and just right for the MixPre setup. It has an aluminium frame, side access, and a rain cover that velcros straight on. To secure the recorder, I just use Velcro tape top and bottom. Keeps it stable and rattle-free. To power the thing, I'm running a RAV Power USB bank. For wireless microphones, I still carry the Tascam recorders. They have never failed me and they're ideal for weddings or multi-mic interviews. Worst case scenario, if your sound bag stops mid-shoot, these things have you covered. My main shotgun is now the Audio-Technica AT875R. Small, lightweight, and incredibly clean for the price. Honestly, it outperforms a lot of mid-grade mics and it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor dialogue. My Rode NTG2 is now my backup shotgun. It's been through everything with me and it still sounds great. For outdoor shoots, I just tend to throw on a universal wind cover, which fits most shotgun mics nicely. My boom pole is an old secondhand Rode one, which I've had for years. Yes, I should upgrade, but I'm a cheapskate. For sit-down interviews, I use a boom rig. It saves your arms and lets you focus on levels and mix instead of holding a pole for 45 minutes. The whole setup costs between $50 to $80 depending on where you get it. Sound gear is often overlooked, but it's literally half of what makes a good video. Whether it's dialogue, sound effects, or music, learning how to record clean audio will make you a better filmmaker. So that is my essential sound gear for filmmaking, everything I actually use and trust on shoots. If you found this video helpful, please give it a little like, and don't forget to check out the affiliate links below if you want to build a rig similar to this. Thanks so much for watching. Take a look around my channel. As always, I'll see you in the next one.